Merhaba and namaste from Istanbul. I'm Upasana and welcome back to my channel. Now before we get started with today's video, I just want to finish up putting up these decorations, wall decorations that I've just bought to make my background a little bit more interesting and aesthetic, let's just say. And I think I've not made this straight enough. Okay, we're gonna fix that later. And the last one should go up, I don't know, maybe here or here, 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 here. I think here. Let's just put this here. And then we are good to go. Let's get started. Today's topic is exciting. It's exciting because you're going to end up learning words in Turkish which are not actually literal words. They're just sounds that Turkish people make to express themselves. And without any delay, let's get into the first word, which is e. Now this e can be used mostly in two situations. One is where you ask the other person, as a reaction you say e to basically say so what. E as in so what. And in another situation where the same e is used for pushing on for more information on what the other person is talking about. Let's give you examples because you're going to get confused if I just randomly keep blabbing.
Ay, biliyor musun ne olmuş? Mert ve Merve barışmış.
Neyse, kahve içelim mi?
Az önce içtik ya.
Yine içemez miyiz? So this was the so what reaction. But now, let's see how else we can use the e. Bu arada sen patronunla konuşacaktın. Ne oldu? Konuştun mu?
Çok konuştuk, çok konuştuk.
Ne diyor? So the last example was using in a way in which you're asking for more information on the topic that you're currently having with the friend or whoever you're having a conversation with. The next word is oha. This word is so frequently used in the Turkish day-to-day language that you don't even realize that you're actually saying oha when you're actually talking. For example, let's say you are seeing something interesting or shocking, and the first reaction as a Turk you would have is oha, bu ne? As in, what is this?
Oha, yangın varmış.
Oha, ne diyorsun? Oha, cüzdanımı kaybettim. So basically, oha is an expression of disbelief or shock. Moving on to the next sound, which is Let's get to the examples because I don't know how else to explain the meaning of these words or sounds.
Biliyor musun ne oldu? Bugün ben derse 5 dakika geç girdim. 5 dakika geç girdim ve hoca beni kovdu.
Ciddi misin? So this is basically again a sort of disbelief, but then you don't have to actually say out a sentence altogether. You just need to say I'm trying to find another example. Yes.
Saat kaç oldu?
Saatim çalışmıyor. Moving on to the next sound, which is vay. Vay. It's not why, it's vay. Let's say how to give you an example for this. Did you know that my channel now is monetized thanks to you guys?
And if I say this out to let's say a Turkish friend, they would say, biliyor musun benim kanalım artık monetized oldu, parasallaştı yani. Vay, ne zaman kutluyoruz? Basically, you can use why for so many situations. Let's just give you an example right away with this. Let's just say, I'm reading this. Good things will happen. Vay, çok iyi, çok iyi. If you can dream it, you can do it. Vay, ne güzel, ne güzel şeyler yazılmış, duvara asılmış. Are you ready for the next word? Or rather the next sound. The next sound is you. You. Oh, my bills have come. How much are they? 200? 400? You. See what I did there? The you expression is an expression of shock and disbelief and disgust all together. Like you. Like the next sound is similar to you, which is tu. Tu. Now it doesn't necessarily mean you're spitting out of your mouth. It doesn't carry the same meaning. Tu is again disappointment. Let's say, for example, let's say my phone has broken and it's not working anymore, and I had just recently actually bought it, and you would just say, tüh, telefonum bozuldu.
Nirvana uçağı kaçırmış. Gelemeyecek.
Tüh, yine mi ya?
The final sound for today's video is sh. Sh. No, it doesn't mean sh. It's sh. Nereye? Or sh. Ne yapıyorsun? You know, it's like this sh is for calling attention of the person towards you. So basically, let's say your friend is at a certain distance and you want to ask him or her, what's up, where are you going, or anything, you just do this. Shh. Nereye? Or shh. So that is it for today's video, guys. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Although most of the words that I've discussed today, maybe some of you, or at least most of you, must already know about them because you are big fans of Turkish serials. So I thought I'd make this video anyway to explain the significance and meaning of these sounds that are very frequently used in the Turkish day-to-day vocabulary. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do let me know by liking the video and leaving a comment below, because I've missed interacting with you guys. And you guys take care until I see you next time. Bye!